This is the Parrot Asteroid Smart, and at NewMINIStuff we've fitted it into a first generation Mini. It's got lots of features, phone, music, internet, navigation, and we've linked it to the steering wheel. So we have volume control, track control, and we can also do the voice control for the phone on it. So if we want to make a call,
contacts. Who do you want to call?
NewMINIStuff.
NewMINIStuff.
Home. Call in progress.
Just end that one. So on the music screen we've got a selection of our music. At the moment we're listening to internet radio, so you can listen to any radio station in the world. Also in there we've got Bluetooth audio from the phone, we've got an iPod which we can browse. You can browse songs, artists, albums, etc. If you wanted artists, there we go, we've got an alphabetical list. Just turn that off for now. Same applies with the USB, and it's also got an SD card slot as well. But you also have on this unit voice control, so we can just say voice control.
Voice command, please.
Music.
Music.
Donna Summer. Also on the voice control screen,
voice command, please.
Applications.
Application.
Ways. So we can launch our navigation. It's got two navigations. We've got Ways, which is a live navigation with speed cameras, traffic flows, etc. on it. Very, very, very good. It's also got iGo navigation, which is on board, whole of Europe and 7-digit postcodes, but that's not a live navigation. We've also got applications, of which there are many you can download, including speed cameras. The unit will read your text messages to you should you want it to, which is great for safety on the road. There is a Facebook app there. We've got an internet browser. There you go, there's our website. You can have a different home screen, like so. It has a map, has your volume control, track control, application control on there. We've got two different internet radio packages loaded on this one. There is also an internet TV package, but there isn't many UK channels on that yet. And you can set up your email on it. You can also set up a reversing camera. You can play videos from a USB stick. It's got subwoofer output if you want to expand your system. Very, very good system. Best stereo I've ever come across.